Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonju medie so dia wo kan se sempa sa kan no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi kunyana me kono kwantim kodin small brain sa kan no penso e wo Ghana gudim eja o hye so mam se nwuma kuni miensa wo na bom sika dwetwe me de san hye so kwitwen sa brel 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than soccer. Our bet the intestine which is we try before we didn't before trying to kuma be adinu kuma san benum catch the busuan for na for 4 year ma wo fase for na nanom obi a penny financial freedom there na 1xbet na no boys di bronya brutal new year so 1xbet na ma for the omo tian sa gym mesrew chacha de ya na ohunsunsun sanso mesrew ni mri fi mo twen fa onyim afi bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya ya no eno ana edi twa bet omodian da so pe bet dia 1xbet abusuan de japadim siska wo kwa ja shempa se nya hwea obetun tabiri akonane na odini na kugu so de keto akwaje kese 1xbet e one dance ni Jeffas Mr. Dutitashi infections netted to say gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di pon hawadwen on set me ka Jeffas Mr. Do betua boa ko eba shops and pharmaceutical shops nemu Jeffas e house sabetua ka bi na boa e ma opomodon sem agina pintin wuratim afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odi efu pampas be pum na ase no edro ba ko etu ase e hye ase yi firi ho no ye sedimo gel and roll on Ashaman me market bi ho na fetema so enye na so utu bi akoto ana se oto de aye ho no obetia frɛ 0208219129 na one sedimo gel and roll on yenhwetwe nkomo yenhwɛ mo a ema nema entimi tutu yefama we mu neda ana awomati komena no pensu de nkomo 8 abril asmo kan se security person utime kokona nimpa de a ogidi pa se onya James Akwasi apia former Black Stars coach etime kan de tenka team no a ebetia boa ema ne dwumadi a odi no wonya nkunimie
say appointing us on only leader. The only thing they need to add up is to add Kwesi Appiah to him. Number one.
Wow.
Because why I'm saying that is written on him, the culture of Ghana football. He's very good in Europe and then in English football. But when it comes to Ghana football, we have a culture that with his experience, Onya Obi Awadi national team match, Kwesi Appiah has been in the national team for over 10 years. So he knows in and outside. And most of the young players, I'm saying, mobile. It's going forward, near Penny, dear, on team in Fan and Kahona, on board his duty. When you're kind with these two, no, I don't think, even Nations Cup, back to back, because he having that strong experience, Kwesi Appiah having that experience, and also know the culture of the game, no. I think, na and one.
T. John Pence, a former Black Stars player, and Anthony Castle didn't come with me, said, and a football de Emma Chris Utin, say, Unyaya, on 5 James Akwasi Appiah, former Black Stars coach and Canaho, now Omicom team from Sen Nabacoma, Nafi Mufa Jumano, and Twasso Honum. Yebemua, Nansen Temna proposal if he FIFA for a catchy BPMU. Now, Omaso can answer, so be a GFA president, and as FE, a penia, obey me, I come, Prema Kumakubes, 3 times, and Obitia Cosansi me by be say ye, be saying ye. And then George Akwasi Appiah, former Ghana Football Association vice president. Nkomo de aba and SSI channel, the dictatorship, and manipulate it into you can't channel in tea, we see no quam, and your person nana, oh yeah, in Tisai shady, and Yadia, one in the Coben crew.
The term existed before normalization committee came into being. So now my question is, I know that now Odofolo lawyer, now Odofolo Norte, was part of the normalization committee. In fact, she was specifically in charge of the status review. And I also know that this one is also involved. And I know some members of the committee whose position I know before. I've heard them say it several times on your network that, Ora Kwesi Nyantechi's term, the first term and the second term was very good. Now until the third term, things got messed up. I hear them saying every day. I hear them saying this on radio. So then my point is, we had a normalization committee. They came up with proposals for our status and all that, and we met and we discussed it and approved. Now, it will interest you to know that I participated in these status revision discussion throughout the period. In fact, the members of the normalization committee, specifically Madam who was in charge of it, engaged some of us and sought our views. One of the areas which never came up is the 3 terms. There are other provisions in the statutes that we've talked about, like Article 39K, where we felt that powers given to the Executive Council now, there are powers that we think must be taken out from the Executive Council to be given to Congress. Remember, in recent times, some members of the football family met in Kumasi and proposed some amendment. These were some of the things we talked about. We talked about Article 81.6, where in the current statutes, from provisions from the Normalization Committee, they were asking the Ghana Football Association to reduce Division 1 from 48 to 18. So we have some part of the statutes that we also think that must be amended. But I'm so surprised that the one that we've never talked about, even when we engaged the Normalization Committee, even when FIFA came in, the one that we never talked about was the 3-10. Because most of our people came saying that, oh, we think that the federation, even though with FIFA is 12 years, even though CAF is 12 years, we think that in Ghana here, we must go the Ghana way. Because those are no mandatory provisions under FIFA and CAF.
Nti Georgia kwese fie na ode nkomo kakra etmesenja e dey afa 3 times ni e proposal abeto dwa mpanyfo bese ho say de be adwuma na se emfa nya adwuma no emere ne nkra be na betua sa kire but ukoma ora kwese antechi the first 9 months no ode Ghana call Africa under 20 ekoje osan call world esa koje World Cup no ema ohwese ne mesi koso a that period numa no na Ghana Football Association for paying format to diversity e dey eti wo no ma say dan no ene secretary ni e ho amode elbo adwuma nti nipa de obe adwuma unhia mfie bebrebe odakro ba ko pe na obetimi e dey adwuma obetimi ayebia de aboa ema Ghana gudi etiantumpon yenko eyenko fufumu dia na eye nhyehyɛ asonko aba no policy direction for the development of sports in Ghana ha sankomo beto fem no Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa e dey ato ne ho so betuen san hwaboa ema nempenso no yenya air policy betuen aboa ema direction e dey my development of game no etimi asa akwanim na we ana oton sa dey afro bibia se wo adwenkyere bi ho a ebekọ policy na aboa ema Ghana gudi etuen san tumpo betuen dia ba wodi kan share stakeholders bi e dey omo etuen ahwetwe nkoma ma sankomo hwetwe no gidi percent shedan si poye amafo bi adwenkyere bi okira omo betumi e dey abeka ho
former sports administrators, share media, swag, sports, swag and sports journalists. Mom winning dear, be brave how. And I Ghana phone now. Be all comments be about the sports policy be another direction. Or be OTM crana. Only so nim dear be a bit my one or the comment, bit much on the comment the aba, and it will take into consideration. So it's something that we are going to engage widely, so that even a document which is owned by all Ghanaians, by I feel we no nanka ye bibia na sports policy nanka launch it. They started the ejuma. Say be encourage private sector for on creative businesses, equipment and other things. So policy you can even use it to attract more people. So this is the
Minister for Youth and Sports, Yusuf Mustafa, and our tenant council didn't come 18 Saturday to a fast sports air policy. I heard him say, "Be a subiting one direction, and there might a development of the game." Or my Ghana, my Wilson Abijana, na media and so my so damn BBC and our can see no ebitmesi. Shendusman say 1S bet, Omote and I fiji fast mesture edit with Tashinati and Samba, Dubaqua, a proper Halavano no bomb, what we didn't channel. I feel said more gel and roll on your campaign, Yaudia, you two are safe within him, the boy among your commission was a tremble Juma, and Maniama 18 quid Momadama. One more unattached, if you do some pensui, I'm a day I will can see on Sempa, Mensakai, Ebro. Within the profit, well as a good catch back open of Genemu, and of course, evidence based representation, it may say, Jow. I may Adom, na Messashing Communibion Susua, Messa Ediaba, Bijon Jumidian is Mensa to us from Sel Catcher with your 4, and then number 4 year mouth fast for none new Krumunu be as a Bijon Jumidino, as Santos. Within the profit, well as a good catch. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.